Y'all want a close? Well, here you have it. This is so close. Okay, but I've been told a lot of times that you guys want me to get closer to my face so you can actually like see what I'm doing. So that's what I'm doing, and I hope you don't look at my cuticles or my nails or my imperfections from this close, but hey, you asked for it. As always, we are starting off with brows. Oh, also for anyone wondering where I got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful choker, it's from Fawn Star, and it is so beautiful. I literally cannot take it off. It matches with everything. I love gold. I love wearing gold. It looks uncomfortable. I wore it to a party the other day, and everybody was like, "Are you like not choking or something?" And I was like, "No, it like molds to your neck." Like this kind of like bends, so whenever you put your head down and stuff, like you can't even feel it. It molds to your neck, and it's super comfortable, it's super beautiful, and so extra. I'm so scared to be in this clothes. So we're gonna get started with the Queen Cosmetics brow pomade in medium brown, and I recently got some brushes from Tarte. These are the toasted brushes. They're supposed to be like paired up with the toasted palette that they just released. So they're these ones. They're super pretty. This has like the tiniest point, so it's perfect for the brows. And can we talk about how beautiful this palette is? This is the Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte. I cannot get over it. The packaging is like gold and so, as some of you guys know, not a lot of people know this, but I live in Oklahoma, so oh my god, I look crazy with one eyebrow on. I look so crazy with just eyebrows. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using, of course, the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I think it's Sand. Yeah, in Sand, number 20. Eyelids are primed. I'm just gonna set it with some powder. This is the Coty Airspun powder in translucent. Everyone asked me if this powder has splashback. It can if you don't use it in the right way. Like if you bake and you leave the bake on for like 10 minutes, it will leave a white cast. But if you only do it for like a couple minutes and do it, you know, in a moderate way, it won't. You just have to be careful with it. I'm going to be using my Too Faced Best Year Ever 2018 palette. I don't remember seeing this out anywhere, but they sent it to me and I've been in love with it. So we're gonna start with a fluffy brush, and this is the Morphe M513, and we're gonna grab the color Love Actually, like this pinky pale pastel, you know. Okay, so the other day I was watching makeup tutorials, of course, my freaking queen, and I noticed that she doesn't ever use a transition color. Like she goes straight in with the bright color and then just like blends it out, and I do not know how she does it. That is probably why she's queen. Yeah, I'm just gonna like slap it on like I do everything, you know, messy as hell. Okay, whenever I have it like all over my lid, like messy, I'm gonna grab another brush. This is the Makeup Shack T93, and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. Oh my god, I swear, whenever I start filming, all my boyfriends start texting me. They're so inconsiderate. I'm gonna grab the color Spiked Cider and my Morphe M433 brush. Everyone always asks me like what my favorite brushes are. Morphe and Makeup Shack are like the way to go. They have the best brushes, best quality, super affordable. After those, I'm gonna grab Don't Give a Fudge. It's right under Spike Cider. And on the same brush, and I'm just gonna put it like on the outside so it gives a little bit more depth. I'm going to put this new little thing that I got. It's from Tarte. This is the Tarte Chrome Paint Pot of Gold. This is literally beautiful, but I can't show you because it's literally like loose pigment. But I'm just gonna use a little brush like this. Okay, so we're finally done with the eyes and I can finally zoom out. Okay, so for the face, I'm going to put on my Iconic London Illuminator in Original. This stuff is so good. It's so like metallic. I put it on under my foundation so it kind of just like radiates through my foundation, and then I put it on after. I look insane right now. Oh my god. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in Tan. And I'm going to mix it with the Maybelline 24 Hour Super Stay and Golden Door. And I'm going to be blending it with my Morphe M439. Of course, I literally don't use anything else for my foundation. And oh my god, we need some concealer because I literally look insane right now. Oh yeah, okay, this is the Maybelline Fit Me and Sand, like always. So we're going to bake with the airsponge powder and translucent. Again, I don't really bake, I kind of just like put it under my eyes and then I just spread it like all over my face. But I put most of the product under my eyes. Okay, so my favorite part because I finally go back to looking like a human. We're going to bronze, and I'm gonna grab this fan brush. It's from Glam Pro Forever, but it doesn't have a name. And I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette and Caramel Toffee. This is like the best bronzer you can use. Well, if you're my shade, because I feel like other bronzers, like the Hoola bronzer and stuff, it's really good, but it still makes me look muddy. And this is just like the perfect color. Once we're done bronzer, we're moving to contour. I'm going to grab this beautiful Park Avenue Princess contouring palette to use the shade Angle to angle everything. For blush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Peaceful. And then for highlighter, I'm going to go back to my Conic London. Then for my bottom lash line, I'm just kind of going to go over all the shades that I used. I'm going to use Love Actually first, and Spiked Cider, then Don't Give a Fudge. And I'm just going to put that under my waterline. And for mascara, I use my beloved Iconic London mascara. They just came out with it. It launched about 2 weeks ago. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Bold Face Glam Lashes in Go Get 'Em. They recently sent me about 22 pairs of lashes, so I haven't been wearing anything else. They are so good. They're such good quality. They have such like different styles. I love them. Finally, for lips, we're gonna be using the Pixie by Petra matte liquid lip and matte beige. This is like the perfect nude for me. I'm gonna top it off with the ultra glossy Ellery and ColourPop Netta Netta lip gloss. This is their new release. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's very like golden-ish. I wanted to kind of like match the necklace and match the shirt. This beautiful top is from Lola Chitique. It's so beautiful. I love Lola Chitique. Like, they're always stocking me up with all their new releases, and I'm literally in love with them. They have shoes, clothes, accessories, everything you're looking for. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I'm active on all my social media, Snapchat, well, but Facebook. I'm active on Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. I'm very active on Snapchat. In a month and 18 days, I will be leaving to Europe and Asia. I'm going to be in London. I'm going to be in Spain. We're doing a lot of traveling throughout Europe, and I'm going to be in Hong Kong for a month. So make sure you add me for that. I'm sure I'm gonna have a lot of fun, and I want you guys to see everything that there is out there and all the partying and all this stuff. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But yeah, make sure you add me on everything if you want to keep up with what I'm doing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!